In this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 mistakes I made when I tried to launch my first online course. That was really terrible. So let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because if you want more independence in your life, then that's the channel you want to follow in order to learn how to create, market, and sell profitable online courses, coaching programs done for your services, and utilize the power of automation and software in order to get there too. Mistake number 1, I created the course before I sold it. Oh my days. That is why I'm drilling about it so much in all of my content, and I talk about this a lot everywhere. And that's what I teach to my people as well, to sell the course, to sell the idea before we actually create it, so you can avoid making those mistakes. Because I flew to Australia, so this course was about self-defense for female solo travelers. I flew to Australia because that's where I lived some time ago in Perth, and I went to this club where I learned self-defense for women. And my lovely teacher, Greg, is amazing. And I called him and I said, hey, do you want to do this course? And I really want to come and do this, yada, yada, yada. Because I had so many experiences in this world. And I thought, female solo travelers, they need to learn this. And they absolutely do. Just had no clue how to launch the thing, you know? And that is really terrible. So please don't make those mistakes. So I flew to Australia, met with Greg for about 1.5 or 2 weeks. We trained all sorts of different scenarios. I organized the film crew. We organized the gym, the car. I had to stay somewhere. Can you imagine all the costs which I had to pay for in order to get this production done? It was absolutely crazy. And, you know, I haven't sold a single copy of this online course before, which I didn't know I should be doing before I launched the thing. But no, I thought I know better now, just do my thing, which is so dangerous sometimes, you know. Even though I advocate people like, yeah, go do your thing, but don't go and do your thing if you don't know what the you're doing, okay? Because it's really painful, expensive, painful. You lose a lot of time, you lose a lot of money, and maybe you lose even like the energy to do it over and over again once you have too many disappointments, right? The number one reason why you probably fail is because you gave up. That's the only reason why you fail, if you don't keep going. And I didn't keep going with it because mistake number two, I had no idea how to launch. So I went on my Facebook wall because I was so focused on this project for so many months, and it was very present in my day, every single day for many, many different months. So I thought, you know, sometimes we think, oh, everyone else knows what we know. Well, actually not, right? And I went on Facebook and I put out a couple of posts on my Facebook wall and said, hey, my course is ready, click the link and buy. I had no idea how to actually warm up an audience, build even the audience in the first place. So I actually didn't have even an audience of people who are interested in doing the thing. I had no idea how to warm up the audience, and I had no idea how to sell and how to launch the whole thing. Therefore, actually right now, it's my passion to teach people how to launch properly. If you want to learn how to launch your course or coaching program or any done for your service properly, click the link in the pinned comments below, get in touch with us, and we can see what we can do with each other, okay? So anyway, back to my point. I put out a couple of posts on Facebook, and guess what? Crickets. Of course nobody bought, because as I said, I had no idea how to launch, no idea how to warm up an audience, build an audience, all of these kind of things. And the cool thing is actually, you can do this starting from zero with no audience and no email list. And you can launch the whole thing in 6 weeks if you just follow the script, right? And I had no idea. I had not a coach. I didn't watch a single course about how to do this. I just thought I will do it like that. What? And then also mistake number 3, I really didn't define my target audience exactly. I said at the beginning it's for solo female travelers, and it was, but I had no idea about how to market the thing. So my copywriting was off, my messaging was off. So it really didn't work, because what I found is so many women actually reached out to me who weren't solo female travelers, but people who have been in abusive relationships for so many years, people who are experiencing domestic violence, all of these kind of things. And women started to write me letters and sent me those long letters, you know, sharing their experiences, how they're stuck in their situations. And I was so overwhelmed. I was like, oh my God, that is not what I want to do. I didn't feel qualified. I'm not a psychologist. I have no idea how to handle those people. Therefore, I just left it. That is also sad, and I don't want this to happen to you. That is why I dedicate my time to teaching people how to actually. I then went out and launched all my things, and you know, now I'm a pro in that and know how to do it really, really well, specifically for beginners who have no idea how to do it, with no audience, no social media following, and can do it in 6 weeks. One of my clients launched in week 6 and made 8 times his investment back. first time round. Amazing, right? There's no excuse that you cannot do it. If you want to find your profitable course idea, if you want to learn how to map out your 5-figure course launch, click the link in the description below. Check out this mini course, which will help you do exactly that, okay? So I hope this video was really helpful to you, sharing my experience about Girls Kick Ass, how I flew to Australia, met my friend Greg, did all the crazy things, and never sold a single copy of Girls Kick Ass. At the end, I just ended up giving it away to women who I knew who were in difficult situations, because I just really wanted to help people and wanted them to learn the thing and learn how to defend themselves and how to handle their own situations at home and things like that. But then I got so passionate about the digital products where you don't have to go anywhere and where you can live this location independent lifestyle, all of this kind of stuff. And I published my digital books over here in Bali, made 5 figures in my first month with that. And that's how I then got started teaching other people how to do the same thing. So it's been an amazing journey. I hope you will stay at it. Do not give up. As you can see, you know, you have to fail your way up to the top, wherever the top is for you, right? But really, guys, hang in there. The online education industry is poised to be a 350 billion industry by 2025, and there is no way this trend is going downwards, because that prediction came out before Corona as well. So the trend is just going upwards, and you should hop on that train. The pie is big enough for everyone to grab a piece. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and watch this video what YouTube thinks is the best for you. See you in the next video. Bye.